Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Terrace by Hilton Bowling Green. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring 3-star accommodations, Terrace by Hilton Bowling Green is located in Bowling Green, 2.3 miles from Sloan Convention Center and 2.6 miles from CrossWinds Golf Course. With a fitness center, the 3-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The property provides a 24-hour front desk and a business center for guests. At the hotel, each room is equipped with a closet. Guest rooms in Terrace by Hilton Bowling Green are equipped with a flat-screen TV and free toiletries. Guests at the accommodation can enjoy a continental breakfast. Terrace by Hilton Bowling Green offers 3-star accommodations with an indoor pool and terrace. Paul Walker Golf Course is 3.1 miles from the hotel, while Western Kentucky University is 4.5 miles away. The nearest airport is Nashville International Airport, 67 miles from Terrace by Hilton Bowling Green. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.